So I just went to Vexel, search for dot, and I found this dotted design, downloaded it, uploaded it to Merge Informer, and I made a pattern like this. Then I maxed it to make a design like this. So if you like to see step by step how I made this design, and if you also like to learn the top 5 niches of the week, keep watching. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money on life fast and easy. In today's video, instead of 5 niches, I have 6, and I'm also going to be going over the dot-to-dot design that I showed you at the beginning of the video, how I did it. So without further ado, let's get into the top 5 niches of the week. The first niche is this dot, International Dot Day. So it's actually the first time I'm hearing about this, so I decided to actually, I got this from Flying Research. You guys know I use Flying Research almost every day of my life. And if you don't know what Flying Research is, I use it to research my print on demand as well as Kindle Direct Publishing designs. Those designs or books that are bestsellers, I find the niches from here. So I did some research about what International Dot Day is. It's actually the first time I'm hearing about it. So I Google searched dot day 2021, and it says it is, what is the purpose of it? I was actually asking myself, what's the purpose of this? And they say International Dot Day is celebrated by adults and children for boosting courage so that their creative potential is released. So it is a great day to connect and collaborate, and also to celebrate self-expression. So I was like, wow, it's actually a very significant day indeed. So it's celebrated on September 15th, boosting creativity of kids as well as adults. I was like, oh, okay. So on Flying Research, I saw a host of dot designs. This is just one of them. Here are other dot designs. This one right here is the one I'm showing you. Then there's this one, make your mark, see where it takes you. It seems like this is a theme of this year 2021, make your mark and see where it takes you. I think that's the theme. So if you're making a design, you should think about including that word. And this is another dot-to-dot design. So basically, many animals, you'll see these dot designs. This one is on a dinosaur. I think I saw one on a, was it a dolphin or a shark? Yeah, look at this. And this is the same thing. See where it takes you, make your mark. So I was inspired by this design because I actually know how to make or max designs. So when I saw this, I was like, oh, I should definitely show you guys how to achieve this. But I took mine to a different level, so that is what I'm actually going to show you now, how to make a design similar to this. So the first thing I did, I always use Vexels almost every day of my life. So I went there and I searched for dot, I just said dot. So several dot patterns came up, but this one right here caught my attention. I always like going for designs that are multicolored, very bright. So this one caught my attention. It's a hard design, so you can download it from here. I think it's free for everyone, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think the vectors are free for everyone, but other designs like merge designs, that one you have to be a member. So I already downloaded this. I uploaded to Merge Informer, and here is it right here. And what I did was, I first of all I went to shapes. I always like using a square or rectangle, either will do. And you can't see it now because it's dark, so let me change this to a white background. So here is a rectangle, actually it's a square that I chose, and go back to images, put that heart that was downloaded from Vexels. So I reduced it a little bit and made it a pattern. So I just click here and duplicated it so many times, and I spread it. So for the down, like I just turned it like this, then position it down, turn again, make this smaller. So I just kept on repeating it like that till then. For the top ones, I made it like that. I put the heart on top, facing the top, then the heart facing the downer part. Then I just kept on repeating it till I achieved this consistency. Let me remove the downer one. So I kept on repeating it till, let me just clear everything. So I kept on repeating it till I achieved this consistency. So this is actually a pattern of dots, so many colorful dots. And the next thing I did was go to text and use the Anton text and type .day. I'm just going to duplicate it again. Day. So I'll just enlarge this and I'm going to max it. So this is one of the reasons why I like using Merge Informer. I use this max tool a lot of times, so many times. So if you want to max it, use any image that you want to max. In this case, this is my image, so I just put the image over the word and click on max. So there are two layers. I'm just going to remove this one so it doesn't cut it. So I'm gonna hit the top, then click on max, then click the first layer and it's gonna max it. So that was what I did, guys. It's a 3-step process, very simple. You can create your own pattern yourself, just like I did, because Vexels also offers patterns, but in this case I didn't see any dot pattern like the way I was looking for, the way I wanted it. I just saw this heart, but it wasn't exactly what I wanted, because when I placed it, this is the heart, when I placed it over the design to max it, I saw that some places were left out. So I was like, okay, I have to create my own pattern, and that's what led me to create this pattern right here. And it's a unique design that not many people will have, and that's why I like doing my designs myself, because I always like making my designs unique. So the first one is done. I'm gonna max the second one, do the same process over again. Just click it, put it over the word, click max, click the layer that you want maxed, and boom, you have your design ready to upload. So I'll just enlarge that a little bit because customers like big bold designs. So as you can see from afar, they are most likely to click on it and maybe purchase it. So I like making my designs big like this. So boom, my design is ready. I just click download and I upload to Mesh Amazon using Fly Upload. So that was niche number 1, guys. Niche number 2 is this F. By the way, guys, if you are finding this helpful, if you're learning something new, please don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe. So this is the second design I saw. It says FUCKYOU. So I was a little bit confused what this meant. So obviously I did some research, and on my research I found out that it says FUCKYOU is a slang word. When fully sounded out means FU. Some people write, draw, or text this sentence to someone just because they are scared of fully saying FU. And most adult supervisors or teachers won't notice it. I didn't even notice it because when I saw the FU, I went back to the word. I was like, how does this spell FU? So they're just students hiding from their teachers, supervisors, or kids in general hiding from adults. So that's what it is, guys. So it's really selling. Look at this one, it's on a retro background. So one thing that I noticed is that I saw this design on many animals. This one is a cat. I think I saw one on a dog. So that's what we should be doing, using the same design to create several designs. And you can put it on a dog, like I said before. You can also put it on all the other animals. You can put it on a cat. If this one is already on a cat, you can put it on a dolphin, on a lion, a sloth, and so forth and so on. So this one overall trend is up, as you can see. Price $16.99, over 108 sales and no review yet. And the third design, or the third niche, is this football helmet, and it's the state of Ohio. And I really like how simple this design is. I like how you can use just basically 3 steps to create this design. You just create a helmet, or you get a helmet design, and you put the state of Ohio flag on it, and boom, you're ready to go. So this design is doing quite well. Over 132 reviews, price was $99, over 71 plus sales, and it's trending like this because of the NFL just started. Yeah, here is the schedule of the NFL, and from now onwards, customers are going to be purchasing shirts for their various teams that they're supporting. So you can create this design for all the teams, but be careful not to use trademark words, the team's words. For example, in the state of Ohio, let's go back here. All right, Ohio State University. So Ohio University, don't mention anything regarding university, because your design is definitely gonna be trademarked. You see, I told you before, if you're using Flying Researcher, you see 25, you don't even need to click and open it, because I do research all the time, and I know that 25 means clothing. So each time I'm doing research and I see 25, I just know that it has been trademarked on clothing. So definitely don't use the word Ohio University, but the word Ohio isn't trademarked. That's why even though you see the name here, Ohio, it is definitely trademarked in UK, but it's not trademarked in the US. If you're making Ohio designs in the US, it's not trademarked, because you can't trademark a city. The name of the Ohio is the name of a city, and you can't trademark the name of a city. So that's why designs like this won't be removed, because he didn't, or he or she didn't specifically say Ohio University, or referencing any football team. The design title only said football helmet, state of Ohio. So it's a football plus a state. So you see, it's not gonna, this design doesn't have any trouble. So that's what we should be doing with all our designs. So the fourth niche of today, also in the line of football, but the reason why I chose this as a separate niche is because it's another type of design that I wanted to show you guys. So this one is, it says I love, and this football is in the form of a heart. You know, most designs is I heart Casey, but the heart was replaced by the football. So it reads I heart Casey, which should be Kansas City, but it didn't say the word Kansas City. Let's see if Kansas City is trademark. So you see, Kansas City isn't trademark, but you shouldn't use Kansas City Chiefs, because definitely it is trademark. Look at it right here. And that's the name of the football team, Kansas City Chiefs. But the word Kansas City is not trademarked, because Kansas City is a state, so you can't trademark the word Kansas City. So you can obviously use the word Kansas City, but you can't use the word Kansas City Chiefs, because that's the name of a football team. So you really need to be careful with your words. Definitely use the trademark check, and check if your words you're using your design is trademark or not. So that was it for niche number 4. Niche number 5 is this September We Wear Gold design. So it's Cancer Awareness September month, and this design has already sold a bunch of times, 144 to be specific, and it's priced $13.99. No reviews yet. And you guys know, whenever a shirt sells like this and hasn't had time to for anyone to leave a review, that means that the shirt is hot cake. Many people are purchasing it and they haven't had time to leave a review yet. So that's a great indication of a best-selling shirt. So this is one of them. It says, in September we wear gold. It's a cancer awareness shirt. It has no bullet points. I really don't know why, but you definitely should be writing your bullet points, and in order to get ranked in that keyword more than anyone else who does. So it's like solidifying your spot in that niche. So I really encourage you to write your bullet points. So it's a simple design, just a maybe gray or white. You could use white or gray, because black will also work on white. And it says, in September wear gold. So that was it for niche number 5. The bonus niche is this back to school niche. Is it says progress over perfection. So it's not only back to school, in life in general. We should use this motto, progress over perfection. Don't try to make things perfect, just do it. Even though perfection will be good, but nobody is perfect, so you shouldn't kill yourself trying to be perfect. Just do what you can and move on. So progress is what's more important, and this shirt speaks a lot of motivation. So it's an inspiring quote. So many people have bought it, especially as it has this pencil, indicates back to school, and this is the back to school season, so many people are buying it. So over 154 sales, price $15.98, no reviews yet. And you know, when there are no reviews and it has a lot of sales, that means that it's a hot selling cake. So guys, before I bring this video to an end, I'm going to continue with my weekly giveaway, which is giving 30 minutes of my time specifically to one person who's going to leave a review in the comment section below. The review can be anything, and I'm going to do a random pick of that person, and whoever that lucky person is, that person is going to ask me any questions that they want to ask, and I'm going to be giving my 100% time to them, which is 30 minutes. So if you're interested in entering the giveaway, just hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section below. The comment can be anything, and in my next video I'm going to be doing a random pick of that person. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about print on demand and KDP, this is a channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.